હેલો નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, દરેકનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. મિત્રો ધોરણ 9 આપણે વિષય ઇંગ્લિશની અંદર યુનિટ નંબર 2 ડેન્ટલ હેલ્થ મિત્રો સંપૂર્ણ સ્વતંત્ર પોથીના પાઠનું સોલ્યુશન કરીશું. તે પહેલા ચેનલમાં નવા છો તો ફટાફટ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી દેશો. ચાલો શરૂ કરીએ. મિત્રો વિભાગ એ છે જેની અંદર રીડ ધ એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન ગિવન બિલો. ફકરો વાંચી પ્રશ્નનો જવાબ આપીશું. પહેલો પ્રશ્ન, વોટ ડુ યુ નાવ અબાઉટ deciduous teeth? તો જોઈએ આન્સર. Deciduous teeth, also known as milk teeth, are usually 20 in number and shed one by one after growth. Question 2. How many permanent teeth are there in our mouth? Answer. There are usually 32 permanent teeth in our mouth. ત્યારબાદ આગળ question 3. What is a molar? Answer. A molar is a kind of teeth found in our mouth. It is one of the different type of permanent teeth. ત્યારબાદ ચોથા નંબરે we have 32 teeth in each jaw. True या false? તો false. તો આપણો સાચું બનશે we have 32 teeth in total, not in each jaw. ત્યારબાદ 5. How many total canines are there in our mouth? Answer. There are 2 canines in each jaw, so a total of 4 canines in the mouth. Question 6. Why has Pooja got her teeth fractured? Answer. Pooja got her teeth fractured because she slipped off a staircase. Question 7. What will doctor suggest Pooja to do? Answer. The doctor will suggest her to consult a dentist. Woman commanded restoration of teeth with light curved composite filling material after examining our teeth. Question આગળ 8. Woman should Pooja consult for teeth. Pooja should consult a dental for her teeth. મારા દોસ્તો આ વિડીયો નીચે જોશો તો તમારે ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી લેવાનો છે અને ત્યારબાદ કોમેન્ટનો ઓપ્શન આ રીતે સ્વાઇપ કરશો તો હાઇપનો ઓપ્શન આવશે. તે પર સિમ્પલી એક વખત ક્લિક કરશો તો જોવા મળશે નવું જ નજરાણું. ક્લિક કર્યા બાદ આ રીતના તમે જોવા મળશે અને આપણે જે છે હાઇપના પોઈન્ટ્સ છે એ ઉપર એક વખત મિત્રો સિમ્પલી ક્લિક આપી દેવાનો છે. ત્યારબાદ આગળ ક્વેશ્ચન 9. What is Dhara's problem? Dhara has uneven growth of teeth which is called crowing. Question 10. How will an orthodontic help Dhara? Answer. An orthodontic treatment will help Dhara by using braces to bring her teeth into proper alignment. પ્રશ્ન 2 જેમાં true or false. 11મો, there are 20 permanent teeth. False. ત્યારબાદ 12, there are 32 deciduous teeth. False. There are 8 incisors. True. So there seems to be 2 cavities there. True. ત્યારબાદ આગળ one of your friend has deformed teeth and she feels embarrassed about it. How will you guide him her? Answer. I will tell my friend that there is nothing to feel embarrassed about as many people face dental issues. This problem is common and is called crowing. I will suggest that he consult a dentist or orthodontist for advice. Braces or orthodontic treatment can help align the teeth properly and boost confidence. Everyone is unique, and what truly matters is a healthy and happy smile. Section B. Read the passage and answer the question. 15મો પ્રશ્ન. Where is Hamelin situated? Answer. Hamelin is situated in Germany on the banks of the river West. So, what was Hamelin famous for? Answer. Hamelin was famous for its wealth. આગળ 17. How were the people of Hamelin? The people of Hamelin were greedy and selfish. They cared for no themselves. 18. What did the people of Hamelin once do? Answer. One morning, the people of Hamelin drove away every dog and cat out of the town using sticks to get rid of all their pets. ત્યારબાદ આગળ read the dialogue and answer the question. જેમાં જોઈએ 21મા નંબરે મિત્રો અહીં 19મા છે. તો Akash is busy, તો true. Akash has to finish his assignment, તો true. 21. What is Binkle watching? Binkle is watching an ODI cricket match. ત્યારબાદ read the data from the table and answer the question given below. જોઈએ 22મો પ્રશ્ન. Who performs is the best in English? Jinal Shah performs in the best in English. Previous, how many more marks has Ketul got than Jinal in total marks of 3 subjects? Answer. Ketul got 2 more marks than Jinal. 24. Who has got the lowest marks in maths? Jeevin Patel with 83 marks in maths. 25. Which subject is more difficult for Jeevin? Answer. Maths is the most difficult subject for Jeevin. ત્યારબાદ આગળ મિત્રો સેક્શન સી જોઈએ, જેમાં 26મા નંબરે છે મેચ ફંક્શન ફ્રોમ એબી. તો 26મા મંત્રા કેન સ્પીક ફ્રેન્ચ, તો સામે આવશે ડિસ્ક્રાઇબિંગ એબિલિટી. 27 she may visit વડોદરા with her parents, તો આવશે રિપોર્ટિંગ પોસિબિલિટી. 28 alas she has lost her father, તો આવશે ડિસ્ક્રાઇબિંગ ઇમોશન. આગળ 29 વિકાસ what would you have ગોપાલ plan? ચપાટી or ચપાટી with ઘી. ઓપ્શન બી આપણો બનશે. 30 મોહિત I am going out to get some snack, do you want anything? આદિત્ય no thanks, એટલે કે ઓપ્શન સી સાચું બનશે. 31 પેસેન્જર how fair is સાપુતારા, તો આપણો ત્યાં જે છે મિત્રો ઓપ્શન બી આવશે. આગળ 3 complete the sentence by choosing the correct option, focusing on function in the brackets. 32 Bunty and Bubbly went to cinema hall. ત્યારબાદ 33 we can play chess well. 34 the dog is barking at us, it may bite us. 35 complete the paragraph by filling in the blanks with the appropriate words from the bracket. જોઈએ well she needs to consult a dentist after examining her teeth. The dentist will suggest restoration of teeth with light colored composite filling material. આગળ 4 find and write the word having nearest meaning. પહેલું છે wonder, તો આવશે surprise. fortunately, તો આવશે luckily. અને bear, તો આવશે tolerate. આગળ સેક્શન ડી જોઈએ, જેમાં પૂછ્યું છે join the sentence using the appropriate conjunction given in the brackets. 39 the doctor tried his best, he could not save the patient. Answer. The doctor tried his best but he could not save the patient. 40 Kavya is clever, she is hardworking. Kavya is clever and she is hardworking. 41 be careful, you will hurt yourself. Answer. Be careful or else you will hurt yourself. ત્યારબાદ પ્રશ્ન 2 write the paragraph filling in the blanks with appropriate words given in the bracket. જોઈએ Tenali Raman had a great sense of humor. He looked foolish but he was wise. There are many stories that show his wit and wisdom. ત્યારબાદ do is directed, આપણે તેની અંદર સેન્ટેન્સ લખવાના છે. 42મું છે those boys are eating mangoes. Those boys are eating mangoes. Those girls are peeling potatoes and those women are milking cows. ચોથો નંબર છે જેમાં select the question to get the underlined words of Harris as their answer. 43. Ahmedabad is 250 kilometers from Surat. Option B. How far is Ahmedabad from Surat? ત્યારબાદ 44. Here and draw a nice picture. Option A. How draw a nice picture? 45. There are 7 colors in the rainbow. A. How many colors are there in rainbow? Section E. Write a paragraph in about 125 words on the following. My visit to a hospital. લખીએ. Last week I visited a hospital to see a friend who has admitted there. The hospital building was clean, large and well maintained as I entered. I noticed helpful staff at the reception guiding visitors. The waiting room was crowded with people, some looking anxious and others silently waiting. I saw doctors and nurses moving around quickly yet calmly. They looked kind and personal in their approach. The hospital had modern medical equipment and facility to treat patients efficiently. I saw some patients resting quietly while others looked worried. When I reached my friend's room, the doctor was concerned with him. I felt thankful for my good health and realized how important it is to care for others. The visit left my empathy and the value of kindness and support during illness. તો મિત્રો આ પ્રમાણે ત્યારબાદ 47મા નંબરે describe the picture in about 10 sentences. જોઈએ. This is a scene from a hospital. The hospital looks clean and well organized. There are doctors, nurses, patients and visitors in the picture. A nurse is pushing a patient on a stretcher. Another nurse is helping a patient in wheelchair. A doctor is consulting a patient on a hospital bed. Some patients are resting while others are receiving treatment. Hospital worker is carrying a food trolley. Woman is sitting on the chair, probably waiting from her turn. Everyone seems to be busy and doing their work calmly and carefully. The picture shows how important work and care are in a hospital. તો મિત્રો આ પ્રમાણે સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન હતું. આગળના પાઠનું અને અન્ય વિષયનું અને યુનિટનું સોલ્યુશનની લિંક આ વિડિયોના ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં આપેલી છે.